Question number 14. Two sound waves from a point source on the ground travel through the ground onto a detector. So this is your point source. From here it goes to the detector over here. This is your detector. Okay. And now what we'll see, the speed of one wave is V1 is given to you, V2 is also given to you. Two waves are given. The waves arrive at a detector 15 seconds apart. Okay. Let d be the distance between the source and the detector. What is the distance? You need to find the value of d. Since the sound waves move to uniform velocity, so what I can do is I can write d by v1 is equal to t1 and d by v2 is equal to t2. Now you see this is 5 and this is 7.5. Okay, so therefore what I will do is what is this given? The waves arrive at a detector 15 seconds apart, which means what? He is also given you the value of t1 minus t2 is equal to 15 over here. Okay, now what we will do is let me assume that v is equal to 2.5 km per second for some reason. Okay, to make calculations more easier for me, I do something like this. So therefore your t1 now becomes so t1 will be equal to d by what is v1? V1 is 7.5. 7.5 is a multiple of 2.5, which will be d by 3v. And what will be your t2? T2 will become d by 5, which is then d by 2v over here. Okay, what I should actually take is not t1 minus t2, it is t2 minus t1 because time cannot be negative over here. Okay, so therefore this should be d by 2v minus d by 3v is equal to 15. D into 1 by 2v minus 1 by 3v is equal to 15. Let us solve this. So if I take the LCM, this will be 3v minus 2v, which will be v over here. So it should be d into v divided by 6v square is equal to 15. Cross multiplying this square and v goes away. In other words, d should be equal to 6v into 15, right? Everything is in kilometer. I am not going to convert everything because you know options are in kilometer over here, which should be 6 multiplied by what is v? We already said 2.5 kilometer, right? 2.5 kilometer per second multiplied by 15 seconds. When I do this, what is that I get? I get 6 into 2.5 would be 15. 15 into 15 square, which is be 225 kilometers. Thus the right answer is D. Okay, let us move on to the next question.